What's up guys, Adam here and welcome back. If you're a first-time viewer and not sure what my channel is all about, this is a strength channel and an episode-based chronicle of my ongoing fitness journey. I focus on what I consider to be the true fountain of youth, strength, athleticism, full-range movements, proper technique, proper eating, supplementation. So if these are things that interest you, then please subscribe so you don't miss anything, and also find me on Instagram. Now, one piece of this episode is why I'm still doing the Olympic lifts at 50 years old and how they can benefit you. I started when I was 35 to become more athletic and explosive for Highland Games, but it changed how I feel about fitness because when we age, not only do we start to lose that maximal strength, but we lose the explosive strength even quicker. I focus primarily on these snatch lifts and their power variations like the power snatch shown here because in my opinion, they're easy to learn and the most athletic carryover. I don't do much clean work because I lack the flexibility to properly rack the weight, so the snatch is my go-to. Anyone can become more explosive and athletic, but it helps, especially later in life, if you build a solid strength base first, a foundation to build from. So hit those basic movements like squats, deadlifts, overhead press, which you will find in abundance on this channel. So how did I do today? I thought I did pretty well. I hadn't done a heavy power snatch from the floor since last spring when we went on another lockdown and throwing season had started anyway, but I worked up to a single at 170. Okay, so while I'm sitting up here for the next exercise, which is overhead press, I want to make a little announcement. I am still working with BowFit supplements, and you can find my discount code in the description, but I'm also now partnering up with Full Strong Coffee. It is owned and operated by a good friend of mine, Curtis DeRoche, out of Wolfville, Nova Scotia. He has a wide variety of special blends that he roasts himself, like the Husafell blend based on the famous Husafell stone in Iceland. So if you want to get jacked while drinking great coffee, then give Full Strong Coffee Roasters a try. I have posted his website and Instagram in my description. And you can also get my discount using Adam15, which will get you 15% off the cost of the coffee. And great thing is that Curtis ships throughout North America and gives free shipping for orders over $100. Okay, back to the episode of the overhead press. When I do a standing overhead press, my hands are medium grip, but where my bench grip is, I take 2 steps back, take a breath, brace my core muscles, squeeze my glutes, and press overhead, allowing my head to come through the movement. I worked up to a top set of 185 for 5 and then backed off to 135 for a set of 10 reps. Another explosive lift that I love to do are behind the neck push presses. And today I did them light and just focused on a rhythm of catch and press for 3 sets of 15 at 135. Now when doing these, remember that this exercise is lower body driven and you catch the weight in a quarter squat position and then drive up again with the legs and lock out with the arms. Okay, I do machine cardio, but let's face it, it's boring. So using medicine ball slams is a great way to not only get in your cardio, but also to hit those core muscles and stretch out the whole of the upper body. The idea here is to get into a good rhythm and use the core and lower body to move the implement, not your arms. It is a great burn and one of my favorite exercises. So if you found this workout helpful, guys, please give me a like and leave me some comments. You can always DM me on Instagram. And if you want to see more, then subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell and stay tuned for episode 83 of The Ways.